Hi students, welcome to new video. In today's session, we are going to discuss some problems related to concave lens and convex lens. So the first question, a 2 cm tall object is placed perpendicular to principal axis of convex lens of focal length 10 cm. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 cm. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Also find the magnification. So we can just draw the rough figure of this problem. So this is the convex lens. This is the principal axis. This is the optic center. And here the focal length is given 10 cm. This distance is the focal length. This is the principal focus f2. This is 2f. So here the focal length is given f is equal to 10 cm. So we know that the principal focus is on the right side of the optic center. So the sign for the focal length is positive. So next is given a 2 cm tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis. So here a 2 cm object. So h is given 2 cm. So it is placed perpendicular to the principal axis. So h is equal to 2 cm. So what is the sign for h? It is positive because it is in the upward direction. So it is positive. Next it is given the distance of the object from the lens is 15 cm. That is u is given 15 cm. So this distance u is given 15 cm. So what is the sign for u? It's in the left side of the optic center, so it is negative. So u is negative. So this much things we are given the question. F focal length is given 10 cm, h is given 2 cm and u is given 15 cm. So next we have to use the lens formula. What is lens formula? 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So we have to find the value of v. The u is given and f is given. So we can use the lens formula 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. So that is 1 by v is equal to, what is the value of f? 1 by 10 plus minus 1 by 15 is equal to minus is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. So 1 by v is equal to 15 minus 10 divided by 150 is equal to 5 by 150. So we can take the reciprocal of this. So v is equal to 150 divided by 5. So here 30 cm. So v is positive. That means the v is on the other side of the convex lens. The image is formed on the other side of the convex lens and it is formed at a 30 cm. It is formed at, this v is formed at 30 cm. So it is on the other side of the convex lens. So that is positive. And next we have to find the magnification. So what is the equation to find the magnification? Here only h is given. H dash is not given. So we cannot use the formula h dash divided by h is equal to m. Here u and v is given. So we can use the formula m is equal to v by u. M is equal to v by u. So what is the magnification? Magnification, what is the value of v? V is equal to 30 cm. And what is the value of u? Minus 15 cm. So what is the value of magnification? It is minus 2. It is minus 2. Magnification has no units. Next we have to see what is the position and size of the image formed. So magnification is negative, means the image formed is real and inverted image. So next we can use the formula m is equal to h dash divided by h. We have to find the size of the image. So m is equal to h dash divided by h. So m is given and h is given. So we have to find the h dash. What's the value of m? M is given, h dash is not given, and h is given. What's the value of h? 2 centimeter. So h dash is equal to minus 2 into 2 is equal to minus 4 centimeter. That image is formed is real and inverted, and the size of the image is and height of the image is minus 4 centimeter. Minus sign indicates that it is inverted image, and it is formed at 30 centimeter on the other side of the convex lens. The image is formed on the other side of the convex lens at 30 centimeter, and the image is real and inverted. So second question. A doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power plus 1.5 diopter. Find focal length of lens. Is the prescribed lens is converging or diverging? So here the power is given. The power is given plus 1.5 diopter. So what is the equation to find the power of the lens? Power is equal to 1 by f. So we have to find the focal length. Power is given, so we have to find the focal length. So focal length is equal to 1 by p. So is equal to 1 by 1.5 diopter. So in order to remove this decimal point, we have to multiply it with only one after decimal point there is only one number, so we can multiply it with 10. So is equal to 1 into 10 divided by 1.5 into 10. It is equal to 10 divided by 50. So here 2 by 3. So f is equal to 0.66 meter. F is equal to 0.66 meter. So what is the sign of this focal length? It is positive. That means the lens prescribed by the doctor is convex lens. So the doctor prescribed a lens of focal length 0.66 meter. That means the positive, it is focal length is positive. That means it is the doctor prescribed a converging lens or a convex lens. So the lens is converging. Which is the converging lens? Or convex lens. So this is a converging lens. We know that the focal length. For the convex lens, where is the focal length? This is the optic center. The focal, this on the other side is the principal focus. On the other side it is the principal focus. So this is the focal length. So it is on the right side of the optic center. So the the focal length of the convex lens is always positive. So if the focal length is positive, it is always a convex lens. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet more problems in the next video. Thank you.